In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert images into videos with Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a single image and have Grok transform it into a dynamic video using just a quick prompt. First, open your Grok account so you're on the main workspace. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable connection, since media generation can be a bit intensive. Once you're in, look for the Imagine option. This is the creative area where Grok takes your inputs and turns them into visual outputs. Click Imagine to open the composer. Next, you'll attach the image you want to convert. Click Attach Files. A file picker will open, letting you browse your device. Locate your image, then select it to upload. Most standard formats like JPG or PNG work well. For the best results, choose a clear, well-lit image with the subject centered and plenty of detail, and avoid tiny, heavily compressed files. Orientation matters too. If you want a landscape-style video, start with a landscape image. Now, it's time to guide Grok with your prompt. In the prompt field, describe what you want the video to look and feel like. For example, you might type, "Promote this video." You can expand on that with a brief description of motion, mood, or style, such as smooth camera push-in, gentle lighting, energetic pacing, or cinematic text overlays. Keep it concise, but specific. Short, clear phrases tend to produce more consistent results than long, complex sentences. Before you submit, check the output type. Make sure it's set to video. This setting tells Grok you want a moving result rather than a still image. If there's a toggle or drop-down near the prompt bar, confirm it's on video so your image is animated as intended. When everything looks good, press Enter to submit. Grok will start processing your image and prompt together. This can take a little time, depending on server load and the complexity of your request. You may see a progress indicator. Just let it run and avoid refreshing the page while it works. Once the generation finishes, your new video will appear based on the image you attached and the instructions you provided. If the first version isn't quite what you imagined, refine your wording and try again with more specific direction on motion, style, or pacing. And that's it. Open your Grok account, click Imagine, attach your image, enter your prompt, confirm it's set to video, press Enter, and wait for the result. Follow these steps and you'll be converting images into engaging videos in no time.